Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis starting on the all-time history. We are looking at 1, 2 and then a 3, 4 and a 5, a leading diagonal toward the upside where we have a zigzag correction, zigzag for a wave 3 and then again we're looking for a wave 4 and a 5 toward the upside. This current scenario has hit perfectly right now the perfect fib level for a wave 3 and we're looking for 3 corrective waves to hit between the 0.23 and the 0.38, 1841, 1263. The second scenario is that you have finished 3 waves up for a wave A, you have a wave B over there, and you finished, of course, right now a wave 1, 2, and you're looking at a wave 3. Potentially, you have hit already the 1.618, taken from the 1 to the 2, and you hit, of course, the 3746. And you are looking for a wave 4, shorter wave 4, of course, between the 0.23 and 0.38 here. And this is, of course, meaning 2580 and 2180 for the gold in case we are in this impulse. And therefore, you want to see one more move toward the upside for the wave 5 between the 4000 and the 4600, of course, to hit the 1-to-1 fib level. Taken, of course, from this scenario from the wave 1, I would say, which you have, of course, from the wave A to the B to the C here. Yeah, so that would be a perfect, the ultimate perfect target, by the way, for a wave 5 in case we see a rebound toward the downside. And actually today we start to see some red as expected because we are very, very close to the top here. And to be confirmed that we have topped after we have, of course, a wave 5 here for the last wave 5, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished wave 5 of 5 of 5. Yeah, so a lot of 5s here has finished, and that means, of course, a top is already there, and a potential wave 3 in the orange also is there. And of course, we start to look for potential lower prices if we dive deeper in the last wave here, where we have, of course, our target in the blue zone perfectly hit. So we can remove this right now. It's more than enough, so let's reduce the things. So basically we have passed even the 1.618 here. We saw a very extended wave 5 actually. In this case scenario, we were looking anyway to finish this wave 5, and here we go. It is done, guys. It is done for the gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And potentially right now we're looking for a deep retracement. So be careful, of course. We start to see like really remarkable red right now and moving aggressively toward the downside. So yeah, it is a top. I would say it is a top because, of course, you have finished even the final small wave 5, even the smallest wave 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And if we dive even deeper on the 1 hour chart to make sure what is this aggressive move, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 potential leading diagonal and moving toward the downside, of course. And that means, of course, it might be very, very aggressive, guys, for the gold. So trade safe, of course. And yeah, if you are in profit, I think no financial advice, but you should consider it. Yeah, so these are the potentials for the gold. Currently, the two scenarios that we are looking at is one of these two wave 4s. So how do we know which one is a much higher possibility? Well, of course, which one is gonna be first hit? It is, of course, the 0.23. And that means, of course, you're gonna get some retracement here. If you get 3 waves toward the downside here and you start to see retracement, you take this low here, and that means, of course, that you are corrective. If you break this down and you continue toward the downside somehow like this, meaning, of course, it is an impulse 4 and a 5, you're heading, of course, for a deep wave 4. And that might unfold a correction, and again, of course, another wave C, and then continuation toward the upside. In case, of course, that you are only here and you see continuation toward the upside, and that means, of course, your wave 5 in the orange scenario is unfolding. And to hit the next blue box, which is, of course, between those target 4,000 and 4,650. Yep, that was it for the gold. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.